Good morning. Today we're at Staveley, which is just outside Kendal. We're at a farmhouse, and I actually jogged past here a few weeks ago and noticed how badly stained it was, and then last week a chap contacted me to see whether we could clean it for him, so I'll show you around. So there's quite a lot of green algae on this. Look at this area here, very heavily stained. And we've got all the render to do. Very stained here. And then, as you can see, the green and here. Really nice place. And they're actually moving into here next week, so we sort of put some jobs to one side so we could actually get this done for them fairly quickly. So it'll most probably take us a couple of days. So it looks like it's actually been painted now. It was very green down this bottom bit here. And as you can see on the window bottoms there's a bit of lichen still, but they'll just drop off now by natural weathering. But they've cleaned up really well. And, again, a bit of dead moss here, and that will just drop off. So it's killed and it's a drop off. These lichens, they'll clear. End. Should be up there. So it's come up really well. We're hoping that the owner, when they see it, that they'll be very pleased with it. And we always bring some bird food with us. And we've got a little robin visitors here, so we always put some down. Again, dead moss just brushes off. That will just drop off by natural weathering. Oh, good job. Again, we've got quite a lot coming on. We put a few jobs back so that we could do this for the owners, and we've got a lot more big jobs that we can show you. So. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and if you subscribe you'll get notifications of future videos. So we'll see you on the next one.